I'm sure you've heard the news, but did you know there's a hidden trade that's a real gold mine? Welcome to the world of historic building restoration. Few people have the expertise to restore historic homes, churches, and landmarks the right way. That means less competition and higher demand for those who master this craft. And the money? It's real. Entry-level pros can make $50,000, $70,000. Skilled masters? $80,000, $150,000. And if you own your firm, we're talking $250, 000 plus. This isn't basic construction, it's high-level craftsmanship, intricate woodwork, delicate stained glass, and stone masonry. Master these crafts and secure your future. How do you start? Learn from experts, get certified, network, and show off your skills. This isn't just about making money, it's about reviving history, bringing beauty back to life and leaving a lasting legacy. Want to learn more about rare, high-paying trade skills? Subscribe now and start building your future today.